Unrivaled Nation, happy holidays. 'Tis the season of giving, and in that spirit, I'm very excited to share this free gift for you, which is designed to help empower you on your investment journey. I share my personal investment journey at unrivaledinvesting.com. I expect to raise prices at the start of next year, but now we're providing this gift to you in terms of financial investment resources to help you better understand what you own, to analyze it. Let me share exactly what I mean. We are talking about AI Ticker Chat. AI Ticker Chat was designed to leverage artificial intelligence in terms of the analysis, helping you understand, is this a good potential idea? Where could it potentially go in the years ahead? There's a lot that we're building and we expect to launch in the coming weeks. Those premium AI features, that's what you have to pay for. But now we're launching free resources so that way we can help empower your journey. That's at aitickerchat.com. You sign in right here. You don't have to pay a cent to get access to this overhauled menu, where particularly this fundamental menu is the menu that's free. Let's say you go to financial statements. You want to understand what's going on with your companies. Now you can easily see it. You can easily visualize it. Let's say you want to see revenue change over time, over the last few years. You can now do that. You can see the free cash flow easily over time. This is the last few years. Maybe you want to jump. This is talking about a company called Enphase Energy. Maybe you want to jump to a quarterly perspective. You can do that. Maybe year to date or trailing 12 month. You can jump around however you like to see the various different data. Maybe you want to look at the balance sheet. See, hey, is this company in a strong financial position? How much debt do they have? You can track, okay, what's their cash position over time? I want to see how that's, trended. Maybe you want to look at the cash flow statement. This is pulling all this institutional grade data, making it available for free at your fingertips. Maybe you want to understand the key ratios of a business to get an assessment of, how it's been growing over time, maybe liquidity measures, maybe how much debt they have. You want to check the net debt to EBITDA, make sure it's not too high. You can check all of these things available for free. The price to sales ratio, evaluation multiple, enterprise value to EBITDA. These are some of the key things that I look at when I'm assessing a company. So these ratios, this is all under the financial statements. Maybe you want to look at segment data, seeing where the revenue is coming from. So you can see all these different key components, for the fundamental analysis of a business. This is a gift to you under financial statements. Now, oftentimes when I'm making a video, I go, hey, what are the insiders doing? And folks say, well, where do you get this data? Once again, now available to you for free at AI Ticker Chat, where you can say, okay, there's clearly been a lot of, selling, not really a lot of buying, recently. Okay, maybe there were these purchases in September. I want to, dive into, what these purchases were about. And so you can click on the document. It pulls you straight to it to understand what exactly is going on here, if you wanted to learn more. And so that's, here, at AI Ticker Chat under Insider Transactions. You can also pull the news, see exactly what's going on. The show summary does leverage artificial intelligence, so that's only available for premium users, but you can see an overview of the various different key news items, and you just click on the link to pull up the exact source document. We also have transcripts where you can understand, well, what is management talking about in terms of the latest earnings? There are some premium transcripts that are only available for paid users, but in the case of typical earnings transcripts, that is now available for free. One-stop shop for you to learn almost everything you want about a company. And that's the goal, to empower as many users as possible. Now, we also are leveraging this with artificial intelligence and have some premium features. And so I do want to talk about that briefly as well, in addition to this gift, because there is this significant, new feature where, there's this race to develop artificial intelligence. You have OpenAI, you have Google. Google just recently announced Gemini, and they said, hey, we're making that available to the public, and our not super smart model, not our best model, but a pretty good one, we're going to make that available for free. So if the models become free, we are passing that on to you. And so this is for the paid users at AI Ticker Chat. Now you can select Gemini, which is Google's model. which is in beta, and you can ask unlimited number of questions on the financial documents using Gemini beta, so leveraging artificial intelligence to ask about these financial statements. Maybe you want to learn something. So this is the key aspect here of AI Ticker Chat. We're trying to democratize access to financial statements, and I think we're doing that here. I'd love to hear your comments or feedback below, because if it's the core financial statements, that's table stakes. That is now free to you. That's the goal here. You can access that under fundamentals. The analysis, the premium, taking artificial intelligence to help you understand the greater detail about a business, or maybe a range of where it can go in the future. That is, the premium features. And so that's where, maybe you want to understand, a framework for how does the stock perform in the years ahead. And, you could dive into understanding, okay, what are the assumptions that AI is coming with to drive a significant return in the future? Maybe you want to, audit the financials. You want to understand in greater detail, why did sales change? And you can easily, do that. You can click on the individual line items using the audit function, and it pulls from the financial statements, telling you exactly why something's changed. That's a premium. Both of these, everything under analysis is premium features. Summaries also premium, where it provides an overview of various different questions you might have about the business. And so I hope this video, walking through the latest functions with AI Ticker Chat, and in terms of this free gift to you, I hope this is helpful for you. I hope it helps you on your own investment journey. And if you want to leverage artificial intelligence, you can also become a paid user at AI Ticker Chat. But for now, it is a free resource. I hope it helps you on your journey. Happy holidays, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in.